Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your project organized and save a lot of time. In my experience, many of F-ال users don't do this. The most common way to start a project is going to channel rack and choosing a VST. Now you should link that to one of your mixer channels. Make a new pattern, change the name and color. For naming the playlist, select auto name and you should match the name and colors manually. If you do that, this video is for you. Press F8, search your VST, select and drag it to playlist. You can see playlist and mixer have the same color and name. You can just double click on your playlist track and your VST comes up. If you change the color and name in the mixer channel, they will change in the playlist as well. Go to the browser, plugin database, choose your VST and drag it to the playlist. You can see all the colors and names are the same, and when you change one of them, the other one will change. This is my favorite way. Right click on one of the tracks, instrumental track, and choose your VST. That's it, everything is organized. Sometimes you already have your VST in the channel rack. If you want to link that to the mixer, right click on one of the tracks, track mode, instrumental tracks, use existing channel and choose your VST. Select yes and now they are linked. The most amazing thing about the linking is automation clip. When you make an automation, it links to your VST in the same group and color. And you can move them easily in your playlist. To see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Sometimes you already have your VST in your playlist. In this case, click here, click on Save Preset As and drag it to your playlist. But you should remember, it makes a clone of the VST and the clone one is linked. And that's it. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you so much. Bye for now.